What is good, YouTube? All right, so the last piece of the puzzle to getting, you know, everything to blend in nicely with this seat here, with the CVO seat, more for a blacked out, you know, look. I don't know if y'all noticed, but there's a bolt right in the smack dab middle of my air filter. And it's ugly, man, it's obtrusive. I already took off the emblem. You know, it's the same way I take off all the other emblems. So y'all can look at the video from here, boom, boom, and you know, see what it's looking like. But today we're gonna be installing, that's right, the Willie G Score Collection Air Cleaner. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, quick unboxing. It's nothing fancy. If you want the part number, here's a part number. Come on, oh, there it is. There's a part number for anybody looking for the part number for this. So let's unbox it real quick. Show you what comes in this box. Shouldn't be nothing crazy, man. It's just a trim kit. Nice. So you get paper and it's nicely wrapped. So boom. Simple. You have your rubber gasket where it sits in. And then you have your adhesive strips. You just push it in. So I'm gonna take the 2 seconds and record this on me getting this installed, man. But it's clean. And we'll get this installed and then I'll show you what it looks like. Just a quick video of the Willie G trim kit air filter. There's nothing on YouTube about it, so I figured I'd post something, show y'all what it's looking like. So let's get the install. Get any contaminants off. All right. So I got the screw out. Let's get my rubber gasket on here. Get this lined up. Like so. You can kind of push it in there too if you want to hold it in place. But I'm gonna wait until I get the bolt in. Before I line everything up. That way I can kind of turn it as needed before I tighten it down. So, position it how I like it. And then we'll push it in. Boom. There we go. All right, so I got it pressed in there. Got the gasket in there. Look at that. Grab my wrench. Get it tight. So it ain't going nowhere, guys. And then I push these in. Get my bolt cover. Get rid of that nasty bolt. Because don't nobody want to see that. Take my time. Don't want to drop these screws. Right, get the last screw in. Be real vigilant. There we go. Woo. Get them both tight. There it is. All right, I'll catch y'all outside.